Hello friends, my name is Vikram and I am from Microweb Solutions. Today I am going to teach you how you can create a free PBX USB drive or flash drive to boot your server or a device to install a free PBX on it. Okay, so first I have to download a free PBX software and ISO file. I have downloaded a historical version with free PBX 14, Linux 7.6 and asterisk 13 or 16. Okay, you can just click on ISO, full ISO file, and it will start downloading. I'm not going to download it because as I have already downloaded it. After that, you have to download Win32 Disk Manager. Okay, after you have downloaded both the software, you have to double click and install this application. I have already installed it, so I'm going to show you. And once you install, you will get this icon on your computer screen. Just double click to open it. Once you open it, you will get this window. In this window, from here, you have to select the ISO image which you have already downloaded. Let me select you. Select on all files so that it will display all the files which you have downloaded. This is the file which I have downloaded, the ISO image of FreePBX. I am going to double click it to select it. And here I have to select the device letter, the pen drive which I have inserted to my computer. Let me show you. New volume, it's a 15 GB pen drive which I have inserted. The volume letter is W. Okay, I have to select it. After that, click on write, and it will give you a warning that whatever the data you have on this pen drive will be formatted or deleted. So make sure you have the backup of the data which you have on the pen drive. Click on yes, and it will start the process. It will going to take some time. So you as